Do you need to replace your LCD back cover on your Dell Latitude 5430? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. Alright, the first thing that you'll do is unscrew the bottom base cover. Then you can use a plastic scribe to pry open and separate the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables and slide out the Wi-Fi card. Now unscrew the LCD bracket and disconnect the LCD cables. Next, unscrew the left and right hinges. Then open the display assembly and then separate it from the palm rest. Use a plastic scribe to separate and remove the LCD bezel. Now disconnect and remove the web camera. Then unscrew and turn over the LCD panel. Now unscrew and remove the LCD hinges. The remaining piece is the back cover. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.